Hey everybody, how the Ultimate Sales Machine by Chet Holmes helped me to learn how to focus. One of his great quotes in his book, The Ultimate Sales Machine, Chet Holmes said, early on, because I've been in the martial arts for 30 years, most of my life, and he said this quote that really struck me. It said, in order to master martial arts, you don't have to learn 4,000 moves. You just have to learn a couple of moves and do them 4,000 times. So I took that and applied that to my business because I figured it out in martial arts, but I didn't really figure it out in my business. So I stopped trying to do everything in business. But it took a long time for me to figure out what were the few moves that get the most results. And because business has been changing over the past 20, 30 years, the time in which I've been in business, I really didn't understand the power of distribution and how important that is in how your business is going to make money or not. You have to have a distribution network set up, which means people who are going to purchase your product or your service. And you have to be able to consistently keep on producing new distribution networks and stuff. And having that system in place, the Ultimate Sales Machine explored that and taught me how to do that. It was a thing that was called the core story and how to market that, but I never ever really took it to that next level. But that's the power of the Ultimate Sales Machine. It's an excellent book, and it teaches you to focus on the few things that make your business succeed. And one of the major things, no matter what business you're in, is to make sure you have an ultimate sales machine, an ultimate marketing system set up that gets you customers coming in over and over and over again.